So far, I've been able to experience how Japan makes some incredible produce from its own shores. But I've also learned about how Japan's really skilled at importing something, refining it in their own way, and maybe even making it better than the original. So without much further ado, I'm very excited to introduce you to the world's best pizza. And I'm very sorry for my friends in Italy or New York, but the world's best pizza is here in Japan. Kakinuma-san, real pleasure.
Welcome.
Very excited to be here.
Yeah.
What is it that goes into making your pizzas that makes it so special?
Special? No special.
There's no secret behind it.
No secret.
Oh. And when you were researching this, I heard you went all around Italy. Was it that you just loved pizza? Is that what you wanted to then travel around and experience? Is that why you went and ate all of these different types of pizza?
違います。ガールフレンドのためです。
She loved pizza.
Yes.
Oh.
She is Napolitan.
Oh, wow. Okay. So you've created this kind of real deep dive into pizza as a love letter.
Lovely, yes.
That's amazing. I really wish you all could smell this at home because the aroma coming off this is unreal. And that's it. I mean, you can see the oil bubbling on top. The smell is intoxicating. And this is where the kind of simplicity of ingredients shines. It is simply the combination of the dough, tomatoes, olive oil, mozzarella, and basil. I mean, it's unbelievable. Is there any chance I can make you a pizza? Okay, I don't even know what to do. And as you can see, somebody who has not spent their lifetime perfecting pizza, trying to spread this out is not as easy.
Yes.
It's okay?
More.
More.
Okay.
Ah.
And sauce. Yes. Yes. Okay.
It's enough?
Yes. Okay.
Wow.
And cheese, mozzarella. Okay. And basil.
The laughs don't fill me with confidence. It is incredibly difficult to do this.
Okay.
And we're gonna have a burnt pizza on one side and one that I think is gonna be quite uncooked on the other.
Okay. Wow, great.
I mean, that is not my description compared to the one that I've seen from you. I mean, mine is not very round. It's kind of more like it's like a fold to it.
Your pizza all.
It's okay?
Good.
Ah, yay!
Very good.
I mean, it really is all of your work. As you can see in the inelegance of not only me dishing it up, but the plating, this was my attempt at a pizza and making Kakinuma-san a version of his own majesty. See, it flops in the middle, it's not as like neat. All the ingredients still taste great, but they're missing that magic of harmony, that, you know, that simple ingredients coming together greater than the sum of its parts. It's, to me, the thing I love about cocktails, like real kind of like great craftsmanship. It's not about ingredients nobody else can get or things that have been done with a skill or a piece of equipment that nobody else can kind of ever touch. It's the care, it's the attention, it's the passion. It's pouring everything in to making those simple things shine. It's flour, water, salt, there's some cheese and basil, tomatoes, but this is one of the best things you'll ever taste. I'm so thankful. This was an incredible experience. I was excited to be able to just come here and have the pizza again, but to be able to spend some time and understand the process was incredible. Arigato.